Hi, I'm Yusuf Hashmi, and today I'm thrilled to walk you through our platform Taxmann.com Practice, your one-stop solution for everything on income tax, GST, FEMA, and accounting. To get started, visit taxmann.com/practice. Here's where you will kickstart your 7-day free trial. Just enter your email and click on the button Get 7-Day Free Trial. After this, you can start creating your profile. Enter your name and set a password. Next, we will verify your mobile number and your email address. This is a simple OTP-based process. Just click on Send OTP and you will receive it on your email and mobile number. Enter the OTP and complete the verification process. After this, we will ask you for a few basic details like your state, your profession, and your area of interest. Upon this selection, you will be all set to begin your journey with Taxmann.com Practice.